Hey guys, back to do another video, and this time it's gonna be on my Michael Kors wallet on a chain crossbody. Wait a minute, that didn't come out right. These are called, wallet on a chain crossbodies. So here is the first one, and this is in the metallic gray. And if y'all saw my other video of all of my Michael Kors totes, I did have a tote this color, and I forgot I had a wallet. But yeah, this is the wallet that I would use for that or whatever. But it's a wallet on a chain, so it does go into a crossbody. And you would just hook it here, and I'll show you on the other one, but you'll just hook it here or whatever. But here's I'm just going to do a review on just one of them and then just show y'all the other ones that I have. But you will have a slot here, a slot here, then you have a slot there, and then you will have 4 card slots right here at the bottom. Then you have an opening here, you have your zip opening here, then you have another opening, and then you will have 4 more card slots, and then you will have another opening. And then you will have an opening in the back. So these are this is perfect for like going, like if you're going out to dinner or something like that, or if you're going to do just a little shopping and you don't want to bother with a heavy bag, then you would just take this and then just attach the chain to it and be on your merry little way. So I have this one in the metallic gray. Then I have it in this blue color, which this one is kind of different because this one has an opening for a phone, and I don't think my phone, let me see. Yeah, it fits. I got the iPhone 11 and it fits. Oh, I didn't even know that, baby. So yeah, that fits. So that one is different from that one. It's actually, let me show y'all. It's a little bit bigger too. The black, not the black one, but this one is wider than this one, as y'all can see. So it's a little bit different, but other than that, it has, and this one doesn't have as many compartments as far as the card compartment as the other one. But all in all, it's still a good fit. And just like the other one, you'll just hook the chain up to here and then make you a good old crossbody. So this is this one in the blue color. And then next I have it in this color, and this is in the fuchsia color, and it's the Jet Set Travel Fuchsia wallet on a chain. It retails for $117.60, and I didn't pay that because I got this one pre-loved and those two pre-loved. So I think I got this one off of Macari, but this one is the same setup as the other one. And here's the chain and strap for this one. So this is the fuchsia color. Super duper cute, pretty color, pretty color. And then next I have this bag in, I ain't never used this one, but this one is in the color Cinder, and this is the Jet Set Travel large phone crossbody. Retails for $168. But there's that. So it's in the Cinder and silver. Super duper cute. And that's how it connects. You can unsnap that and then just pull that through there, which it is kind of tough pulling this through here or whatever. So I don't know, you just got to be careful with that, because I feel like if you keep tugging and tugging, it'll eventually tear that. But yeah, you just take that off of there, and like the other ones, it becomes a wallet. And I do have a bag this color too, so it might have been why I bought this, because I had a bag that color. But yeah, and my phone will fit in this one as well. And then last I have, I done had this one for a little old minute. I still got the receipt in here. But this is the last one, and this is in the MK signature print. And this one is the Jet Set Travel wallet on a chain also. Here's the back. And this one is the smallest one out of all of them, but still super duper cute and still very much functional, and to me still in style. Because y'all, I bought this bag in 2015 and haven't even used it yet. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. But this can also always be used as a MK wallet, so I'm not even tripping about that or whatever. But there's that. It's still cute, even with the little button, still cute. So yeah, let me show y'all this one. Yeah, y'all can see. So here is this one. Super duper cute. So I like this. I like the real small crossbodies. So that one I can dig. So yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys my wallet on a chain collection, and they all are by Michael Kors. And he still make these bags, these wallet on the chain bags. Of course, the style has changed, but yeah, y'all, if y'all looking for it, there are plenty still out there. And get back with me if you guys have any questions, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.